Hello folks, welcome to our math exercise. Have fun.
So let's first look at exercise A. We have to find the derivative of c of x. So let's just look at one of those. Let's plug it down here, A. So the principle is head down one less. Let's write it here. Down one less.
It's actually head down one less, not head down one less.
So we can now solve all these with that principle. This one. So we have to, in the exponent, we have to make -1. So we have c of the derivative x is equal to 0.000, and then multiply this one and this one, multiply, this is 9x to the power of 2, because we did -1. And we can do this for the rest of all these, so it is 0.04x. And if it's just one x without an exponent, it's just, you can cross the x away and then it's 4. And if it's just a number, we can cross the number out. So, and then that's our new function.
So now we take exercise B. For this one we have the value for x is 220. So we just plug 220 for x in this function. That means that we have like this. If we calculate this, it gives us the result of 56.36. So now we have to say for what this 56.36 value is, and it estimates the additional cost for one more genes pair if 220 pairs of genes are currently made.
So now let's go to exercise C, where we have to find c of 221 minus c 220. So for this we use the normal formula up here and just plug in for 221 for x or 220 for x. So then we get this c of 221 minus c of 220, which is equal to 56.58. So this value is the actual increase in cost to make one extra pair of genes.
So let's move on to exercise D. For this one we need the second derivative. We use the first derivative to find the second derivative. So we use this function right here. And then we use the head down one less rule and get this function. Right here. So for the second part of exercise D, we have to equalize the second derivative to 0. So we take this function right here. And now we solve it for x. So first we take this part here and just minus 4. And now we have equals to minus 4. Now we have to divide by 0.008. So we divide this part right here with this number, and then we get x is equal to minus 22.22, like this. So at this value is the rate of change at the lowest, but it doesn't really make sense because it's impossible that we produce less than 0 pairs of genes. So yeah.
So thank you for listening. I hope you learned something new, and yeah, have a nice day.